Hi everyone, come back for a post review on this one. Yeah, what can I say? Well, I'll tell you the basics first. I bought it 18th of May and I received it on the 1st of June, so about 14 days from AliExpress, from a store called Personality Painting Store. But I also got a card saying it was from Yikela, don't know. So either of them stores, I'm not sure which they're trading at the moment. Canvas 30 by 30, pretty much it is, or I think I measured it at 29.5, 29.5. Price is £8.42, British UK money. Should we start on the positives? I mean, looking through the camera, it doesn't look too bad. So that's one positive. Second positive is it's got some nice colours in it. Some. And the third positive is it's a diamond painting, and I love diamond paintings. Yeah, and that's about it. I have worked on some not so good deep paintings with squares. I mean, my cat one was really bad for popping, but this one, Millie started this one and gave up. She did a little bit here and some here and drove her scatty. And I can't see one not done, so I persevered with this one. It's taken me on and off 17 days to actually get it done, because I daren't, you know, you rub your hand over like that. Oh, sorry, just knocked something off the unit like that. You daren't do it with this one because the drills will just slide. They'll just slide straight off. They're slipping and sliding. There's that many with holes in, and you think that you've gone, you know, you've been careful before you put them down, but no. That's my rubbish, and most of them have got holes in. There is a few more in there, I got to admit, that I found last night with holes in, and I've said sod it. I am going to seal it. I'm going to try doing the watered down version of the Mod Podge gloss luster, because I've done it with doing it not watered down, but Rosy Posy Craft suggested doing it watered down and worked as just as good, so we thought we might try that one with this one, because it don't really matter if it don't work. Diamonds were all different shapes and sizes. Some were big, some were small, some were thick, some were thin. As for having enough, I mean, you can see there is plenty of each drills. You know, I did have more than enough to complete it, but I won't be keeping them drills. They will be going in the scrap jar for Jess, for a scrap jar, because they were stuck together. As I said, there's holes at different sizes. Yeah, they were just complete and utter rubbish. But it's done. It is done. So, and I will seal it, I think, you know, with this Mod Podge thing, and just go from there. And I will cut off, I've got a bit of dirt on here, because literally I just lost faith in it. So it was literally just get it done, so I could go on to something else. So yeah, so I wouldn't recommend this store, as I say. I can't really say much about it nice apart from the positives, which is one, it's a DP painting, you know, and I'd rather do a bad one than none at all, because it keeps me occupied. It's nice colours. And I suppose it does look okay in the screen. The stag looks quite okay. But yeah, I'm very, very disappointed with this one. Very disappointed. Don't know if you can tell. Yeah, it's 30 colours. And yeah, it just doesn't look right here. This is not too bad, but I don't know, it just doesn't. Maybe it's me, I don't know. Maybe it's because I've been feeling a bit rough and I'm just in a picky mood, I don't know. But as I say, you definitely don't want to move your hand over it. I don't think even I'm going to put the toothbrush over to get the excess. There's bits of wax on there. I think I'll just use a pin to pick any excess, because I daren't put a toothbrush just to brush it off, because it literally will move it. But yeah, but never mind, you live and learn, you live and learn. We've got to try these things and try these different stores, and just to see, maybe it was just a one-off, you know, and I'm unlucky and I got it. But yeah, So yeah, so approximately, I think it's 13,924 I worked it out. I think it was 118 by 118 drills. So yes, so for £8.42, yeah, well, we'll just leave it at there. So not sure what I'm going to go and do next. There's a few that I want to do. So I think it'll be easy, but I think I might do a round just to get off squares for a while, because I seem to have been doing a lot of squares lately, so I might do a round. But yeah. So there you go. So thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting, because I really, 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 really love reading your comments and answering them. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the ones that already subscribed and keep watching me. I really do appreciate it. If you like what you watch, give it a thumbs up. Or if you haven't subscribed and you fancy watching some more of mine, press the old subscribe button, and the little bell. That'll just notify you if you tick that, if I'm going live or if I've popped another video on. So look after yourselves, take care, and speak to you all soon. Bye.